Welcome back to the channel, guys. This one is going to be breaking down a trade I took on Friday on Euro New Zealand dollar. I did actually take around $1,300 from the position, and I'm basically just going to break down what I did and where I put my limit orders. So a few of you who follow the channel will know that I trade with limit orders. I don't do price action. I don't do manual entries. I set my entries for the day with limit orders and then go about my day. So these are the two positions that were taken. I'll now just break down what I was looking at when I came to the charts for the day. So what I will do initially, I'm just going to get rid of these two entry points and I'm going to rewind the market to the point of what I saw at the start of the day. So I was looking at the 1 hour on Euro New Zealand dollar. For some reason, Euro New Zealand dollar and Pound New Zealand dollar on the 1 hour time frame, because they're very wiki pairs, that fits the type of strategy that I trade. So my first thing was always using my Fibonacci. So I identified that there was a big move up within the market. Obviously, sometimes if the price makes a move down, I'll draw a Fibonacci the other way. But this is just one of the Fibonacci's I had on my chart. If you follow anything over the past however long I've been running this channel, you know that I do like round numbers. This round number here was at the 1.8350, and it was in between these two Fibonacci levels. Now, a couple of options with this. You can either pick one and go with it, or you can pick both and split your order up. So what I actually did, I identified that between this area and this area, I had my Fibonacci, I had my round number, and if I move this zone left, I also had a couple of wicks. So I was happy that I may get some wicks in the future. Alternatively, on the level below, on the 78 Fibonacci, I had exactly the same. Draw my zone up to the round number, go left, and what did I have? If you go further back, this was actually a nicer level. Wick, 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 wick. So over and over, this area here has been used as support, meaning there's a good chance that in the future, price will also be used as support. So where I actually set my limit orders, the first one was obviously at the start of the first zone with a 20 pip stop loss, like so. The second one was obviously on the lower zone, same again, 20 pip stop loss, just because that's what works for me, okay? And that's obviously what my data supports what I do. I aim on this time frame for minimum, and this is my first take profit, a 2-to-1 on both positions. What I'm going to do is just change the color of the TP on the other chart, and then following that, what we'll do, we'll go into the 15-minute, and I'll basically show you how the trade played out. So what happened? Price began pushing down into the level. Obviously, my limit order was set already at this moment in time. You can see price pinged me in and went into drawdown pretty much straight away. Okay, so this position triggered here, and then what happened? Price pushed lower to my other level, narrowly missed my stop loss on the first position, and then continued to push up. So price pushed up and hit my TP1 on the lower position for a 2-to-1, which I was very happy with. And then I was basically confident that following this, price was then going to push up and hit these highs. What then did actually happen? Price then at about 3 p.m. in the afternoon had one final push up and then came out and took me out break even. Annoyingly, if I was to play it out, you can see that price would have narrowly avoided, or hit TP, should I say. So two positions taken in that. There was this position earlier on in the week as well, which obviously did do a 2-to-1 as well. So I took 2R here, 2R here, and a break even. So 4R over the course of 2 days on one pair is, I'm happy with that. So you can see I've put the screenshots on the screen throughout this. These trades obviously were in the group in the community. So, you know, if you are interested in that, links are in the bio. But if not, just stay watching the YouTube. And then, yeah, that's basically how I made my money on Friday. So any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.